Hi, I'm Jonah. I'm going to show you around our stunning, brand new 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment home here at 4900. We're here in our Gable floor plan, which is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment home featuring over 1,200 square feet of living space. As you can see, our kitchens have beautiful white quartz countertops throughout, mosaic tile backsplash with under cabinet LED lighting, as well as all stainless steel Whirlpool appliances. Another feature that our residents love is the amount of cabinet space, which provides excellent storage. Our chef-ready kitchens are great for hosting and entertaining. As you can see, they lead right out into your living and dining area with 9-foot ceilings throughout and some unique architectural details, as well as crown molding throughout and oversized windows. We're here in your master suite, which can accommodate king-size furniture. It's a great space to come and relax. It leads right into your master ensuite, equipped with dual vanities, glass enclosed shower with ceramic tile surround, and leads right into your oversized walk-in closet. As we enter your guest suite, you'll find another oversized bedroom with a nice walk-in closet. Directly off of the guest suite, you'll find a full private guest bath equipped with a garden-style tub featuring a ceramic tile surround and a spacious linen closet, which is really convenient for extra storage. Now that you've had a chance to see all the great things 4900 has to offer, we'd love to show you around in person. Our availability is extremely limited, so don't delay. Be among the first to call 4900 home.